morning, Bob. My name is Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. I'm excited to show you our brand new Sonata, okay? 2019. So in the front, we have the beautiful waterfall grille. We have the LED wraparound headlights and daytime running lights. Nitrogen-filled tires. Blind spot detection in the mirrors. Let me show you the interior, sir. On the inside, beautiful gray fabric. It has the cruise control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It has your safety features, a bunch of technology, everything that you need. But the best thing here at Tameron are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But at Tameron, and only Tameron, we double that last one. 20 years, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll only find that here at Tameron. My cell phone number is 703-505-1598. Come on down to Tameron, where you're going to love the way you're treated, and we'll test drive the new Sonata.